Daradara. Ó dára sí wa ní gbogbo ọ̀nà. Bàbá Daradara. Elédùmarè tó dára. Ó dára. Ó dára.
It's me again now. Don't be afraid of this face. I won't take your time now. I won't take your time. I welcome you again. I welcome you again. A very big one. Quick, so sharp and so short. It is something very paramount that I noticed that it is missing in our contemporary days now. Humility. Humble yourself. You have PhD, you have doctorate. The Gbagbara nle farabalẹ̀. Shey you be the first person. People that are doctors are not doing kilo. They calm down for Jesus and let God exalt you. Let God lift you. Stop being proud. Mama say braga. Who are you gapasi? Talon braga dosi farabalẹ̀. God loves you. Ọlọ́run tó dára. He has created you so marvelous and wonderfully well, and He wants you to portray Him on earth very, very perfect, very, very correctly. Humble yourself. Humble yourself before the almighty hand of God, and He will lift you up in due time. He will exalt you. God resists the proud, but He gives grace to the humble. People is those of us, not my word. So now the Bible talk am. Now the Bible talk am, not being talk am. So please humble yourself so that God will lift you up. Do you demand for promotion? Be humble. Do you demand for any breakthrough? Be humble. God bless you, Jerry. And that will be all for today. Baba Daradara. It's another time. Don't go. You cannot go. Go where? Oh, you have not liked this video now. Drop your comment and help us share to your loved ones. So I will see you next week by God's grace. I won't die. You to no go die.
Baba Daradara, ó fẹ́ mi yeye o, ó dára sí mi púpọ̀. Ìfẹ́ yìí dọ́gbọ́n orí mi lọ o, ó ju òye mi lọ. Baba Daradara. Baba mi, baba tó dára, baba tó fẹ́ mi púpọ̀. Baba Daradara. Baba mi, baba mi, baba mi, baba mi, baba tó dára, baba